Welcome to the Elon Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 23 September 2024. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. Please remember, the content does not represent our opinions and is just a reflection of news items in public media. In a rather unusual twist, Chechen leader Ramzan Kadyrov has accused Elon Musk of remotely disabling a Tesla Cybertruck that he claimed was sent to the front line of the Ukraine war. Kadyrov alleged that the vehicle, which was equipped with a machine gun, was performing admirably in combat before it was mysteriously shut down. He expressed his dissatisfaction, stating that Musk's actions were not nice. Kadyrov has reportedly sent 2 more Cybertrucks to the battlefield, asserting that they are functioning normally. Kadyrov had previously shared a video of himself driving the Cybertruck, claiming it was a gift from Musk. However, Musk has denied ever sending the vehicle, calling the notion absurd. Despite the controversy, Kadyrov praised the Cybertruck as undoubtedly one of the best cars in the world. This situation underscores the strange intersection of technology, warfare, and international relations, particularly in the context of the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. Kadyrov, who has faced international criticism for human rights violations, has been sanctioned by the US, UK, and EU for his actions. Tesla has not yet commented on Kadyrov's allegations, leaving the public to speculate on the veracity of these claims. The incident highlights the ongoing tensions and bizarre interactions between Kadyrov and Musk. With Kadyrov's controversial reputation, the implications of a military leader using a modified Tesla vehicle have drawn significant attention. Musk has not confirmed whether the vehicle was indeed disabled, leaving many questions unanswered. That's all for today's episode of the Elon Daily News. We hope you found these stories as intriguing as we did. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates on everything Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring.